Imagine brushing your teeth with urine, and 2,000 years ago, the richest people in Rome actually did it, but that's not even the strangest part. The Roman Empire collected human urine as tax, and what they did with it changed cleaning forever. This is the disgusting truth about why Romans used urine for cleaning. Ancient Rome had over 1 million people, and with that many people came mountains of dirty clothes. But soap was expensive, so Romans discovered something strange. When urine sits for days, it creates ammonia, and ammonia destroys stains. So Roman cleaners filled giant tubs with human urine, and then they climbed inside. They stomped on clothes for hours. If this already sounds insane, wait until you hear what they did with their teeth. Romans believed urine could whiten teeth, and somehow they were partially right. Ammonia breaks down stains on enamel.
Ammonia is still used in cleaning products today. So behind all the disgusting details, the Romans accidentally discovered industrial chemistry. They turned waste into business. And for centuries, the empire cleaned itself with it. Public toilets in Rome weren't private. People talked, ate, and even made business deals there. And underneath those toilets, workers collected the urine. To the Romans, urine was valuable. More valuable than many people realize today. Even leather workers used it to soften animal hides. So one disgusting liquid powered multiple industries. And that made Rome incredibly efficient. They recycled almost everything, even the things nobody wanted. But there was still one major problem. The smell was unbearable. Yet somehow, they accepted it as normal. Because to Rome, usefulness mattered more than comfort. And that mindset helped build one of the most powerful empires in history. Romans didn't see urine as disgusting. They saw it as technology. A strange technology, but an effective one. And in a weird way, we still use the same science today, just in a less disgusting form. So the next time...
And that mindset helped build one of the most powerful empires in history. Romans didn't see urine as disgusting, they saw it as technology, a strange technology, but an effective one, and in a weird way we still use the same science today, just in a less disgusting form. So the next time you smell cleaning chemical, remember the Romans were cleaning with it 2,000 years ago. History is full of strange ideas that changed the world, and Rome may have mastered the strangest one of all. Because sometimes the most powerful discoveries come from the most unexpected places, and for the Romans, even waste had value. That's what made their empire different. They used everything, no matter how strange it seemed, and somehow it worked. Subscribe for more forgotten truths from history.